The event today has been a really fantastic opportunity to bring people together who are working on sustainability initiatives in a whole range of different ways. So we've got people from professional associations, those who are representing nurses and midwives, for example. We've got representatives of state health departments, bureaucrats, we've got clinicians, we've got facility management and health service leaders. So it's a really rich opportunity for people to come together to talk about the challenges that they face and to learn from one another.
Over the last roughly 2 years, we've driven down energy consumption in our largest hospital in New South Wales in Darlinghurst by 34% approximately, and the big aim is to basically roll that out. And if we do that and achieve those kind of savings, that's about 36,000 tonnes of CO2 and about $4 million. So you know that's the aim going forward. You know, so. Oh, it's simple. It's getting like-minded people in a room. I mean, one of the issues, and I think Connect is going to be a fundamental driver of that, is simply I don't think we actually get together enough. As you probably heard, me and Chris Hill talk to each other a lot, but you know, even like the benchmarking, once every 12 months, one of us goes, we should be doing some benchmarking, and then for 12 months we go, oh yeah, I should be doing that benchmarking. So I think things like this, and also, you know, CAHA and AHA can really help facilitate getting us to work together better.
With just over 25% reduction in energy use in a 10-year period, represents savings against trend of more than $10 million, and it represents equivalent of taking about 15,000 cars permanently off the road. We're a relatively small state, leveraged up across the system. It's a really meaningful contribution, and the way we've achieved that has been highly cost effective, certainly sub 7-year paybacks on investment, and I think it's the sort of thing that all jurisdictions are doing. We just need to do it faster and harder. Certainly the value to me is networking does two things. I literally hear things and sometimes follow up, and they have meaningful differences, but it's also motivation to know that they're happening. I appreciate the value of networks. They're very hard things to make work. I tend to be a looker at networks rather than of someone who moves them along. But so I guess I'll find out over the coming weeks and months the particular value of today, but networking is critical because it's an incredibly complex space, and if you know 1% of it, you know a lot, really.